Hello dear student, welcome back to a new lesson which is telling the time and how to tell the time. And be with me, today we are going to talk about telling the time. For example, this is the picture of the clock, and before at the beginning we should know that when we have an hour, for example, if the big hand is on the 12, you don't have any problem. You just say it is 3 o'clock. Or if the small hand is on 1, you say 1 o'clock. Or on 2, you say 2 o'clock. Or on 4, you say 4 o'clock. You don't have any problem when the big hand on 12. It means o'clock. For example, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or 5 o'clock, you don't have any problem. But when the big hand moves towards the number 6, for example, from 12 to 6, if there's a big hand on the 12, from 1, 2, 3, 4, or till 6, we say past. What does that mean? Let's see. Let me explain it first. For example, what time is it? The big hand is on the 1. You say 5 past 3. And another one, what time is it? It's 10 past 3. It's 10 past 3. And another one is, it is quarter past 3. It is quarter past 3. And when the big hand is on 4, you say 20 past 3. 20 past 3. And another one is when the big hand on 5, you say 25 past 3. Here we say past 3. And when the big hand on the 6, you say half past 3. Half past 3. And let's see, what did we talk about? We talked about that when the big hand on from when it goes towards 6, we say past. For example, 5 past 3, 10 past 3, or quarter past 3, 20 past 3, or 25 past 3, or half past 3. And when our big hand goes from the 6 towards 12, we say 2. Let's see what I mean. For example, it is 25 to 4. You say it's 25 to 4. And another one is 20 to 4. 20 to 4. Another one is it's quarter to 4. And this one 10 to 4, and another one is 5 to 4. And if, as I said already, I talked about that, if the big hand on 12, you just say 3 o'clock. Okay. For asking about time, for example, when you ask someone to tell you the time, what do you say? For example, I just talk about 2 common ways to ask about time. You say, what time is it, please? Or you can say, can you tell me the time, please? If we answer the question, it's 20 to 12. It is 20 to 12. As you see, the big hand is on 8, and from 6 to 12 you say 2. 20 to 12. Yes. Another example. What time is it now? As you see, this is the clock. And who can tell me what time is it now? You say, it is 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. Because our big hand on there 12, and we don't have any problem with the 12. We just say o'clock. 9 o'clock. Another one. What time is it now? It's quarter past 10. It is quarter past 10. Because our big hand on the 3, and this is quarter, and from the 12 to 6 we just say past, quarter past 10. Another one, what time is it now? What time is it? What is the time right now? This is a question. Who can answer the question? If we answer the question, we just say it is quarter to 11. It's quarter to 11 because the big hand is on the 9, and on the 9 we just say it's quarter to 11. What is the time, please? What is the time, please? It's 20 past 1. It's 20 past 1. Can you tell me what time is it, please? It's 5:30. And in summary, what did we talk about? And briefly, and I give you a summary of it. It's possible to use 15 instead of quarter. For example, when you say it's 15 to 12, if it is 15 to 2, and you can also say it's 15 past 1. It's 15 past 1. Instead of say it's quarter to 2 or it's quarter past 1, you can also say it is 15 to 2, or you can also say it is 15 past 1. Thanks for listening and watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.